Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Rava Paniyaram, Semolina Paniyaram, Sooji Paniyaram. Ingredients for Sooji Paniyaram: 1 carrot, 3 onion, 1 tomato, 2 green chili, small piece of ginger, little coriander leaves, 1 cup of semolina, that is rava, half a cup of curd, required salt and required oil. So we grated the carrot and grated the ginger, chopped the coriander leaves, and we cut the tomato and onion into small pieces. Add the semolina rava in mixing bowl. We're going to add the curd, we have to add little water with this. You have to mix like this to this consistency and leave this one for 10 minutes. So the batter is ready. So we're going to mix carrot, onion, tomato and coriander leaves. It's very good evening snack. You can make in the tea time. So it's very good for health also. So required salt. Okay. So we added green chili and ginger as well in this. So mix it well. So it requires little water. So we're going to add little water. So you have to make the batter to this consistency by adding little water. So we're going to prepare the paniyaram. This is actually non-stick paniyaram plate. It's available in online also. You can buy it. So we're going to pour the batter in the molds. In the same way we have done sweet paniyaram also, Kudi Paniyaram. You can check that one. I will give the link below in the description, so you can check that also. That is also very good. So we added little oil to give some crispiness. So actually this is the non-stick one, no need of oil, but there will be some crispiness if you are adding the oil. So we're going to flip to other side. One side it is cooked. So if you want, you can add little ghee also. We have added oil. If you want add little ghee also, you can add. We have not added baking soda in this. If you want, you can add that one too. So nice evening snacks. Children will definitely like this. See, nice color, golden brown color. Can feel the nice aroma of the paniyaram. Think it's cooked also on the other side. Very nicely cooked. So you have to do for all the batter like this. So it will take time, no problem, but it's a good snack. Rava Paniyaram, Sooji Paniyaram from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.